Welcome to the installation guide for the MOTOISM windshield for various Honda CB models. Before we begin, make sure the motorcycle is stable and on a level surface. Lay out all supplied parts and confirm your tools are ready before starting the installation. Begin by removing the original headlight bolts one at a time using the Torx tool. After removing each bolt, insert the windshield bracket in between and screw the bolt back in. Do not fully tighten at this stage to retain some movement in the brackets. Once both brackets are loosely installed, prepare the windshield. Insert the supplied bolts and nuts into the windshield using the 3mm Allen key and the 8mm wrench. Position the windshield onto the brackets with the bolts already inserted. Tighten the nuts and bolts on the windshield. Now align the windshield and position it correctly. You can use the line of the display as a reference to center it properly. Once the windshield is in its final position, tighten the Torx bolts on the headlight mounts. Finish with a final tighten on the windshield bolts and nuts. Do a final check on all mounting points and confirm everything is properly secured. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your new MOTOISM windshield.